Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Jasmy. Wanted to do a quick analysis here. Wanted to do a quick update. We've actually had some quite a lot of movement for Jasmy and quite a lot of bullish price action as well in the last 24 hours, a little bit longer even. So wanted to cover that and just in general. Talk about the current situation, talk about what's possible, like can we actually rally? I mean, overall, if I look across the board for altcoins right now or on altcoins, like you can see right now that Jupiter is doing quite well after the news that they had acquired a piece of Moonshot, but most of the altcoins are laying down fairly low. And Jasmy is even underperforming. But then if we take a look at the higher time frames for Jasmy, and if we take a look at the previous price action, like I said, in the last 24 hours, I think first of all, there's some things you need to know, and second of all, that there is actual potential. Now, if you are a regular watcher of this channel, then first of all, thank you. But then second of all, you also know that I always said when the price was down here at 2.7 and around 2.5, that I think that from this level, if it's going to be a generational bottom, yes or no, it's hard to say. I mean, in the end, I don't know. However, I do think if you take a look at the technical strength of that level, which you can see on the 3-day time frame here, and how often that level has been respected and how often that level has not been respected. In short, I mean, most of the time it gets respected. Right here you can see 1, 2, 3. Here a little bit, but not really. So one time we did not, then here we also did not, then we respected here, we respected here, we respected here, we respected here. This is a very strong support level, and then it's also the 2.5 psychological support level. So in general, I do think from this level we can have some sort of bullish momentum. And then what makes it more interesting is that not only we've hit that level and we've had some bullish momentum from that. I mean, to get back to the 4-hour time frame, from the bottom to the top right here, which is almost impossible to catch most often. We actually did do a 10 to 15% move. So that's nice, and then especially what we saw yesterday is that the volume for Jasmy is looking pretty good as well. Yesterday the volume went from 70 million up to 150 million, and then again today volume went from 126 to 150 million again, while the volume across the markets is quite low. And then one other thing which we talked about the last time as well is that the open interest is actually quite high here. Although I must say that it's also strange open interest development. I mean, it shows one big spike up. I'm not sure if that's actually true. I mean, you can see right here the open interest development. And here it actually shows that we have some major shorts coming in as well. So therefore open interest is not always the best indication of if we're actually strong, or that insiders are just shorting a coin that's going to fall. But in short, so what the summary for Jasmy right now is that we are at a very strong support level, which I expect to hold, and we are seeing indications that we can actually move up here, but there's not enough confirmation. Like for me personally, you can see the trend band here. You can see that so far we've been able to respect the 50 EMA all the time on the 4-hour time frame. If we actually do see some sort of a continued volume increase and a breakout above the 50 EMA, then I think that's enough confirmation to actually assume we're going into 3.2, 3.3 cents, and that we can have somewhat of a bullish Jasmy. And is that possible? For sure. But as long as we have not broken above that, and as long as I do not see some sort of a sustained open interest growth of longs being opened, I still think it's most likely that we're going to be volatile, but that we will drop back down to 2.5 cents, and that we will consolidate down here for longer until we can actually meet those criteria to become a little bit more bullish and move up. So those are my thoughts. Short term, I think we'll stay down here. And then, like I said, keep your eyes on that open interest. If we actually have some sort of a sustained growth in there, or if we have a sustained growth in volume, then we can break out. Until then, these are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.